Right, let's try and do this. We're going to fly the little crow first. Have a little bit of flight round. And stand over here. I'm going to try and get some good shots. I've got the iPad at the far end of the garden, as you can see. Doesn't like the wind, as you know, they all don't, but let's have a little fly. Walk it down here. Put her in speed too, I think, guys. He really doesn't like that wind then. It's got beautiful road with it. Touching there. Go and have a little fly by the iPad. That's
Pretty good, the camera on the iPad, to be fair. Bit of a breeze from it. Try not to stand on the other helicopter.
This is the one I had to put new blade grips on. What happened was one of the screws came loose, started her up and she just annihilated one of the blade grips. The blades came off, so I'd pick the grip. So I made sure